Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can open Microsoft Excel application. So to open Microsoft application there is a lot of ways we can open it. Let's discuss one by one. So I am going my desktop. In desktop, if I have Microsoft application icon available here, I can simply double click on that and we can open it. But as of now we don't have that application available here. So what we can do is we can go to the start button, click on start, and in the ping already there is some application by default it will pinged. In the case it is not pinged, but here in my case I can see here, but in the case for your system it is not available, then go to the all application and little bit scroll down. It will be ascending order A, B, C like that. So scroll little bit down, we have to go to the E. Now here is E and we can see Excel is mentioned there. So I can just single click on this and I will be able to launch the Microsoft Excel. And this is the opening page where various type of Excel, what are the type of there will some predefined templates are there, we can easily use it. But for us as of now we will go with blank workbook. Okay, click on. This is the one method where we don't have any icon on our desktop, not in ping, not in taskbar, we can open it. Now another method is there to open Microsoft. Let me close that and I am going again. Now I will make that Microsoft Excel that application available in the our start button taskbar. So I'm just right clicking on this, or is just find out from the all the applications. I'm right clicking on this and here you can see that ping to start. So it is if it is not, if I'm clicking ping unping to start. So now if I go to this, I will go back. You cannot see the Microsoft Excel is there. Okay, so from here I will ping to start. I will click on this ping to start. So what will be happen is we can say that here we have application Microsoft Excel is where it went. Did I did correctly? Yeah, it is in here. Okay, just click on this. Now we can get, we got the same window where we can click on the new blank workbook and I'll able to see the Microsoft Excel. So now since Microsoft Excel is open here, what I can do, I right click on this and click on ping to task. Okay, what will be happen is just click or close that, and if you observe we have icon here in the Microsoft Excel is not open, but we have one icon here. So what we can do, we can just simply one single click on this, we will be able to I got right clicks, left click, and you can open that. You will get the same window and just click on this. Okay, another very simple way, just close this one and go to the start. See here in search, type Excel and you got the same. Just click on this, you will be able to get the same screen. I am going to blank workbook. So this is the how we can open the Microsoft Excel application. Now in this next video we are going to see the what are the basic things we are seeing, like these tabs, what is this, what is the cell, what is the columns, what is the rows, right? All these things we will be seeing in the detail in next video. Thanks for watching.